This mount right here is the mount that paved the way to more advanced mounts like the Celestron AVX mount. This mount here is a Celestron CG5 Advanced Go 2. Back when this mount was first released, it was capable of Go 2. It was able to locate stars, galaxies, planets, nebulas, anything you could think of in the night sky. Unfortunately, upon me acquiring the telescope, it didn't work so great anymore. And I didn't have my Skywatcher GTI anymore, so I was kind of out of an astrophotography mount. Until I stumbled upon something I had never heard of before. The Terran's Onstep Go 2 kit. In this video, I'm going to show you just how easy it is to install this kit on your mount, and we're going to do a test on it, see how well it guides and how well it does for astrophotography. One more note before we get started. Terran's Industry sells different kinds of kits for different kinds of telescopes. So if you go to purchase this kit, make sure that you check which one is the best fit for your telescope. As you can see, here are some of the components that actually comes with the kit. There's a Go 2 controller that mounts to the mount itself. And then we have the RA and the declination motors, as well as the cables that control the motors. And we have some screws, timing belts, and things of that sort. Now, I just want to clarify, I've never done anything like this before, so this is not a step-by-step tutorial. I just want to show you how easy it is for even someone who's never done anything like this to have this installed. Okay, so everything is now 100% installed, and honestly the scary thing to me about this is that it is either completely messed up now or it's gonna work great. So let's take it outside and see how well it works. I'm gonna release the video regardless. Okay, I am now outside and it is absolutely freezing out here, but I have to say I am super impressed with what I've seen so far with this mount. It is so quiet, so much more quiet even than my Skywatcher GTI mount that I had previously. The guiding is looking absolutely perfect. It's staying around or below 1 arc second, which is something I also was not able to achieve with my Skywatcher GTI. And this is a huge improvement over what I would have been able to achieve with just the original CG5 mount running with the ASI Air had I gotten it to work. This Onstep motor mount has much more advanced motors, a much better timing belt on it, so everything is actually working quite smoothly. And we're about to start imaging a very famous galaxy, that is Bode's galaxy in the Cigar Galaxy, and I'm starting to get sub exposures on that now. And in just a little bit, I'm going to show you the final post-processed image and let you see just how sharp and clear the stars are because of how well this telescope is now able to guide with the Onstep V4 mount kit. Check it out.